What's up guys, and welcome to the 5th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial it's all about bash traps. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, cd first and then bash. Okay, what we got? Okay, so touch, nano. Okay, our favorite text editor. So hashtag exclamation mark shebang, and then your interpreter bin bash, then trap, bash trap, int. This is the bash trap command. The next one is clear. So bash clear screen command. After this it's bash trap, curly braces, echo, control plus C is detected. Is detected executing the bash trap. Close that off. Okay, so the bash trap function is executed when Control C is pressed. Bash prints out the message executing bash trap subroutine. Okay, now we need a for loop from 1 to 10 all the way up to 10 to 10. So for A in seq 1 all the way up to 10, semicolon, and then do, go to your next line and do echo $A all over 10 to exit. And then sleep 1 semicolon, and then done. And then after that you can echo exit bash trap example or whatever. Okay, so now we can save this. Control X, Y, enter. Okay, before we do anything, just do a cat. That's the program we will be compiling. So without further ado, let's compile this with chmod plus X, and then trap, enter, /trap 1 to 10 all the way up to 10, and then after 10 it'll just leave the program. Exit bash trap example. Okay, chmod trap. Okay, control X. Control X is detected, executing the bash trap. And there you go. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.